the signal's clear. The only thing I'm feeling is no fear. From the avid's gaze to the Mach 5 scream, this isn't just a flight, it's a pilot's dream. I'm living the dream. I'm living the dream. I'm living the dream. The sun is up and now the fleet's alive. From seeker's speed to the master 3X's dive. From avid to safety to the Mach 5 rules. Each drone in my fleet's got a dedicated soul. The Mach 5's my freestyle powerhouse under my control. The Seeker 30,000 demon speed is its goal. The master 3X makes precision its roller. The Avatar 2's the king of the safe patrol. Yeah, it's all about using the right tool for the goal. Headed straight for the gap inside the tree. This is the part where the fool you'll see them skimming the water, tasting the spray. Ripples below me, I'm leading the way. Skimming the waves in a risky flight. These dives and spins where freedom begins. Flips and power loops in the golden light. Oh, I'm living the dream. I'm living the dream. I'm living the dream. I'm living the dream. Twisting through the sky, feeling the rush in the air. There is no need to hush. Acro mode's a dangerous, tempting game. I forgot my number, I forgot my name. A crash is just a memory in the making. But right now, this moment, there's no mistaking. We don't care, we don't care. If I crash into the sea or a tree, it's a memory for us, a story for you and me. We don't care. Then I turned around, headed for the ground, weaving through the trees without a sound. Oh, I'm living the dream. Alright, pilots of truth, you should see. Learning the skill was so hard for me. It broke my ego, it made me humble like a Friday to see a silent, costly dread. A bench of parts and doubts inside my head. But I picked up the iron, followed every rule, till I heard that startle tone. My heart began to cool. I spend this cash just to fall and to fumble. But now I get it, I understand the why. The rush of the flight that touches the sky. Oh, I'm living the dream. Which drone do you fly? What's your style? Oh, the center hoops grace or the 5 inches trial. They all have a purpose, a feeling, a sound. What about you? What have you found? It's not just a drone, it's pure fun. The feeling of a fighter pilot when the day is done. Pushing fast and low, licking the grass, buzzing the tower with every pass. Weaving under trees, making the good times last. So I'm living the dream. And when the world is sleeping, dark and deep, while you're counting sheep, my promises I keep. I take my rig out, feel the cool night air. A different kind of danger, a different kind of dare. I hope you do too. Now let's go. But when the sun is high and the shore is bright, that's when I go to chase the waves in the light. Skimming the water, tasting the spray. Ripples below me, leading the way. This is the part where the fool you'll see. Flips and power loops in the golden light. Just for me. So send it up, send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare, we're gonna fly this FPV everywhere. Oh, I'm living to chase the waves in the light. Skimming the water, tasting the spray, ripples below me, leading the way. This is the part where the fool you'll see flips and power loops in the golden light, just for me. Send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare, we're gonna fly this FPV everywhere. Oh, I'm living the dream.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.